Hello, my people. How na day? I greet the house from Untouchable Mama. My brothers and sisters, you get this video where I want show now. Maybe some of una don still see am, or maybe una never still see am. I just see this video now, say, make I show my people because sometimes wetin our people dey do, e dey very very bad. E dey bad. This one happen for Italy. You come, I don't know wetin dey worry some of our people. Una come another man land, come dey misbehave. Come another man land, come dey misbehave, come dey do say na you wan come teach dem. Na you wan come tell dem the law wey dem suppose to dey put for their country. Me, I no understand o. Especially all these our people, whether their brain o, dem turn am upside down o, whether I no know as I take talk am, my people. You go come another person land, come dey do anyhow, come dey misbehave, come dey tell dem wetin like this man now, like this man now wey dey for this video. I go show una make una see am because all these things e no good, because dem dey use am take dey come dey dem dey use am come take dey insult other people, innocent people wey no do anything. Because if dem wan talk am, dem go say all Nigerians, which is very bad. Because of wetin one person do, dem go come use am take rob everybody. E no dey good. You come another man land, you come dey do anyhow. How you go another man land, you come dey do anyhow? You no dey obey their law. Especially this one now wey just dey talk anyhow. Una go see the video. Maybe most of una don see am. Maybe some of una never see am. You come another man land, you come dey do anyhow, dey talk anyhow. Even talk am say he go kill all of them. I no know people wey he wan kill. He say dem be wetin he call dem. Say dem be criminal. You go another man land, come dey do anyhow, come dey do wetin fear no let you do for your country. Like all these people now, all these white people, they no fit come our land, make dem come dey do anyhow. We go show dem. We know as we say they do now, but as we dey their country, make we now cool down. Italy na the best country. Me, I fair play am on a year. But Italy na the best country.
Siamo proprio in Italia, Dio caro. Una sprangata nella testa, colpo di taser e lo butti nel bidone. Cioè, se n'è anche a lui. Io che, ma non sta ancora zitto.
Tu sei il criminale. Il criminale. Non c'è. Perché non te ne torni a casa tua? Ma Rumenta, perché non torni a casa tua e ci devo per il cazzo in Italia? Rumenta, perché non torni a casa tua? Io sono criminale.
You don't see that woman. If you see that woman, they call her say Rumenda. Rumenda mean say dustbin. Wetin dem no dey use again. All this something wey dirty, wey dem dey throw away. Na be Rumenda. Na that woman dey call am. That way wetin Spanish dey call basura. Okay, this one now. This one, I don't know wetin dey worry some of our people. I don't just know at all. He say he go kill all of them. And una know say for Italy, if you threaten person, hey, oh God. They go take on me. I believe say this person where they talk, so this man, I so much believe say something is wrong with that man brain. Something dey wrong, because person where they normal, no fit they do wetin they do. More than they listen. The woman tell am say, why you no go stay for your house? That is why you no go back home to your country, make you go stay. Instead of you where you come here, come they disturb, come they run precolione, come they do not come they disturb us, because they're right in their country. Then they're right, because our wow come too much. If you go ask her now, say which country you come from, go tell you say it be Nigeria. He go tell you say it be Nigeria. If you see Senegal, if they break, you see them with their all that bag where then they buy, go they sell am for near riverside. They don't they do all this thing. They don't they do. Senegal, Ghana, for where they don't they do. Our people, the bad ones, then na they cause am where all these people come see us finish. More than they watch. I still hear wetin that one, wetin the woman talk. He say venite qua. You understand? That means not be only one person they talk to now. E dey refer to every black, especially Nigeria, because if you go as na Nigeria, not be another country. He say venite qua. That is we come here, come dey disturb them for their land, and which is true. They say if you are in Rome, you act as a Roman people. I no understand. Some people you not live on a land, una come their land, come they disturb them, and na truth. All these things, then they cause am where you just if you maybe you go question, they'll say, wetin dey happen? They'll say na Nigerian, so no tuti ogwale. And no be said them be tuti ogwale. We are not the same. Because some of them wey they bad. Now they cause am when they call that church say so no tuti ogwale, Nigerian so no tuti ogwale. We are not all the same. Because of some of them where they bad, where they do all this nonsense, where they not the let person when they not the let person they know the good ones. They'll come talk everybody together, say tutti uguale. Say una rumenta, you understand? Basura, dustbin, something wey don good. He no know wetin e mean.
Ora lo portano dentro.
Vergogna! Rumentone!
TSO. Espatriato. Via, casa. Mamma mia quanti calci nel culo che ti...
You don't see Ogbalegbe don come. If you go see now, this kind man now, you go ask and say document or not get. Why e be say those people wey not get document now then they misbehave pass? I don't know why e be like that. You go know say you never stand for the country where you dey. Paper not dey your hand. You go dey misbehave. Those one wey get paper, they no dey talk, or they no dey misbehave. Italy is the best country. Me dey talk am, not be because of say I be part of them or something like that. No, because if you dey for Italy, for many years, maybe you no even get document, they no dey disturb you. E no dey happen for another country. They no dey disturb you. So far, make you no find trouble, make you no go put yourself for wahala. Some people dey because you know say some country dey. If you dey there, if they just see you say you be black, they'll start to they ask you say where your document. They'll start to they embarrass you, even though say when you even get your document, especially when they'll just see say you be black. But Italy no be like that. They make their business. No call them. No go find trouble. If you no find trouble, they no even care. But all this one now then they call some way they come they see say everybody they'll say they be the same. Like this one now, e name don enter system. As Ogbalegbe come now, e carry am comot. Maybe they carry am reach questioner now. They go ask am say where your paper, e no get. And that thing wey e talk, wey they say he go kill them, he go kill all of them. Who you want kill? I don't know. He say he go give them job. All this thing no good. No matter wetin, you no dey your country. You don dey to go talk to Buhari. Go meet Buhari, may give you work. Because not be they born you. They just say come you come their country, they take you, say okay, may you stay because of the story where you put for ground. But story when they don't come reach here, now they come they misbehave. What you talk for ground, this they different. What you come they do now, instead of may you for come down, may you say, may you find your paper. No, they not they stay. They go they find trouble, they go. no matter wetin happen for them, me I no even want, me I know wetin happen, but that words when just dey talk say he go give them job, he say they be criminal, he say many I'm not even listening. Huh? I so much believe say e get mental problem, because person wey no get mental problem no dey talk all this thing, because you no fit dey minachare, that is, you no fit dey threa ten people. You no fit, because dem get their own wahala, dem get their own problem, dem no be your problem. You dey your country, you no go beat your president, you no put your frustration for a body. People wey come even put you for their land now, then now you come dey put the frustration for a body. All these things got to stop, because dem dey use the same eye take dey look everybody. Na im cause if you go Questoria, you just carry your passport come out, the way wey dem take dey look the passport sef, how wey no be, you go just dey hungry make you vomit, say wetin. But if they see maybe Ghana people or Senegal, then they respect the way we pass our people. Why? Because the way our people take they do. Because the way our people take they do something. Ogbalegbe from there, they just call, come Nigerian, then they fight, they go wrong go. They know they hear say Ghana people they fight or Senegal. Because then they maintain. I don't know wetin they do our people. Whether na the river where they pass come, na it come turn their brain. I don't know. Now every time they'll tell the hear person. Now every time they'll tell the hear say, Nigeriano. Nigeriano from the other side. Nigeriano. They don't tire. Because Italian people, they too they good. They don't want make people they think say people come they think and they talk and say they not like foreigner. That make them they do wetin they do. They not be us well. All these things not fit happen for Germany or Austria. When I know say those people they not even want see. They not even want see. Use I take say black people, because then they get as they say they it not be like Italy. Italy, you fit enter, you fit they do wetin you like, then just they look you bad. So far you no give them problem. Once you don't they give them problem, they don't write your name down. Now that one some people don't know. Stay in your lane, they know they hear. They will find trouble, they go. If they minachare, if they threaten them. He want give person you want give the job, you not get. You want give job to people, you not get. That thing where you talk, now they carry this video now, go give judge. They go write am down. Before you go see paper for that country, it go hard you because of wetin you use your mouth to talk. Because they will say non sta bene, c'è problema di cervello. Before they will come give you, go come turn to another thing. Then people come dey talk say, Italy na that kind of country. They no good. They not like us. Italy like us well. Italy like us. Now the way some of our people say they misbehave, na no good. Na they not like. Because you just come their land. You can't do anyhow. If they tell you say, see where we tell they do something, you say no, not be say we tell they do am. You can't they change am for them. We go accept am? No, we not go accept am for our own country. So it good make we know all these things. It not good make they come they do am. Because they use am say they stain other people. Where the good ones, because really good Nigerians in there, the good ones. I know they talk about those one way not know their left and right. Because all those ones and they stain us. When they don't stain us, they come they use one eye till they look everybody. I bet me I replay and get on and watch am. Because all these things, you got to stop. Make them know what to carry them come. If you don't know what to carry you come, make you better just go sit down for your country. Make you know say on that side you did. How you come another man land, you come they misbehave. You say you there abroad. You there abroad. You know even wetin make you come there abroad. You know even first say make you fight. Make you fight, make you get the wetin make you there here. Your own na to make problem with the people wey put you for their land. E no fair, e no good. Fight for your wetin make you come here. Then try to get something to make you dey do. Abeg man, may I play again?
I will give you war. I said I will give you war. I will kill everybody. I am the one that said, God, I will kill all of them die. What do you mean? Deal with me, I will kill
Siamo proprio in Italia, Dio caro. Una sprangata nella testa, colpo di taser e lo butti nel bidone. Cioè, se neanche a lui, io...
The person wey dey video now, you see wetin he talk. He say, "Siamo proprio in Italia." You know, say when something don pass, then you understand. That means we be fool. You understand that one? I mean, go say, siamo proprio in Italia, or maybe something you say, siamo in Italia. You know, something like that. He said this one. He said this one now. Person wey you go carry wetin dem dey call am, maybe stick knack for im head, throway am for inside dustbin. Na im that one wey dey video, na im dey talk just now. Because just come person country, just dey see na only you one dey talk o, na only you one dey cause all of them for there. Then the video na say person wey you just carry, say for Italy no fit do that kind thing. Say our country na you say you no dey fear before ogbalegbe come sef, you don dey start to dey fight the person, but dem no do am like that. But if na our country, we no go take am. How oyibo go come dey say e go dey curse everybody, dey do dey misbehave, say one say una be abeg more na lis ten.
Tu sei il criminal. Il criminal. Non c'è.
Perché non torni a casa tua e ci vuoi per il cazzo in Italia? Rumenta, perché non torni a casa tua?
Io sono
Brutta merda di cosa! Dovete tornare a casa vostra, posso che Rumenta! Invece di rompere il cazzo! Perché non te la prendi con le forze dell'ordine? Coglione! Fatti la casa tua, finitela con me che sono una donna! Brutta rumenta! Rumenta! Siete le rumenti, siete! Venite qua sulle spalle nostre a rompere il cazzo! E rompiate i coglioni! Con gente che lavora, vergognati! Rumentone! Rumenta! Sei una rumenta! Sei una rumenta di uomo! Rumenta!
Quando
Rumenta! Sei una rumenta! Non ci parli come me che ti cagli addosso!
non vuole tornare.
Coglione!
Basta, quando tu hai visto qualcosa, tu sei qua.
Sabina, che piacere,
Ora lo portano dentro.
vergognati! Rumentone!
TSO. Espatriato. Via, casa. Mamma mia, quanti calci nel culo che ti...
Na well, my people, I no know wetin I go talk. I don talk wetin I wan talk, because make all these people, make dem dey maintain their self. Make una dey behave well. No be wetin carry you come dey fight people wey dey for here. No. No dey fight people wey dey here, because dem no be dem cause frustration for your body. Buhari dey for there. Una no go fight am. People wey say okay, make una stay for our country, now una come dey do anyhow. It's very bad. No be only this one, there many. Just because of say this one and I still come out, e no dey good. Because if you go see, if you reach Italy now, you go see the way dem take dey oyibo dem, ogbalegbe dem, the way dem take dey talk about people wey come from Nigeria, e no fine at all. Because dem dey give dem problem well. Because their whole country, before dem, say people, their whole person come dey give dem problem, dem go take am. But foreigner wey just come dey give dem their problem, join the one wey dem first get. E dey very bad. E dey very, very bad. See the man for there. He say he go give dem job. He say dem be criminal. He go kill everybody. I no know person wey wan kill, but I just believe say this man wey dey talk so, he get problem. Na so wetin me believe, or maybe he drink. Because person wey normal, dey misbehave like this. I know say dem many o, because dem no get job. If day break, dem dey waka up and down. Night come, dem go sleep. So, but all these things may finish, because people wey good, dem too much dey suffer am well, because dem dey use the same eye take dey look everybody, say dem be the same. You see oyibo now, if you just see black, and that black na person wey dey nice, o dem dey use the same eye take dey look dem. Na so their brother do once so time. You understand? So now, my brothers and sisters, just say me I just show una. Me, I just still share am because maybe some of una don still see am, some of una never still see am. So I'll put the video also. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. One love. Bye bye. Ciao.